Planning your life after high school? It can feel like a lot. But your Big Future dashboard can help you stay organized and prepare your next steps, all in one place. Here are 3 ways to make it work for you. Number 1, update your profile. Log in to bigfuture.org and head to your personalized dashboard. Complete your profile with your GPA, interests, and what you want to study. This helps colleges and scholarship programs find students like you. You're in control and can update your profile anytime. Number 2, take the right steps at the right time. Your dashboard shows you exactly what to do now, like taking the career quiz, and what's coming next, registering for the SAT. Number 3, access all your lists in one place. Quick tip: if you build a college list with 3 or more colleges, you could qualify for a $40,000 scholarship. Once you've built a college list, build your career and scholarship lists next. Wherever you are in your journey, you can always come back and explore the dashboard and complete your list. Take the first step toward your future. Log into your Big Future dashboard today at bigfuture.org/dashboard.